Bold Hue is going to be a household name soon. I can just feel it. My venture fund, Backstage Capital, invested in Bold Hue this year. And after 5 years of research and development, tinkering, making things work, they are in pre-sale mode right now. So officially available. So I wanted to show you a few videos about this. Quick videos so you can see what Bold Hue does. Let's see if we can make this work. So what's happened is she's put this wand to her face, and now the machine is printing her makeup foundation. This woman is a makeup and beauty student. So she's seeing this for the first time.
Yeah? Really? Oh yeah! Dang! It looks like just glosses on my face. That's dope. That's crazy. It just looks like shiny. Like you can't even come through.
It's just
That's
like
crazy.
when people see this for the first time, they can't believe it.
Yeah.
And this is makeup. This is what this company does, Bold Hue. I'll show you this. Maybe we'll let's see if this will play. This is so exciting.
The foundations that I'm currently using right now are 3 different brands.
When I have gone and asked for my shade, there's something off.
I don't feel represented in the makeup industry.
It's a little bit frustrating sometimes, especially when you're going out and you want to look good and you don't feel like 100%.
It would be great to have like a product that you don't even realize that it's there, that's really light, because it's not just a female thing and we all have skin.
If I could press a button and magically my foundation shade was there, sign me up like yesterday.
Okay, let's see.
Can you believe this?
Oh wow, that's actually really cool.
My skin tone has all that.
Oh wow.
This is all at
It
home.
gives me
This
a
is
nice natural glow.
this is an at-home product.
I don't need that much, which is good. I would 100% wear this.
I love how it just reaches all shades.
I am so light and I have never found a shade that fits me, and this was perfect. Like, I've been smiling since I put it on.
It feels good to look like myself because I don't want to look like anybody else.
When you have a product that can cater to every single person, we won't feel lost when we are trying to find something that should be so simple.
Word.
I am Bold Hue.
Bold Hue. Listen. It's in pre-order right now. Go to boldhue.com. Now, of course, I'm an investor in Bold Hue, so I want you to buy this. But honestly, they have 10,000 units in the pre-sale, 40,000 wait list people. So 10,000 units, 40,000 people have said they want to buy it. They just opened it up a few hours ago. So when you watch this, I don't even know if it's still going to be available. So of course I want you to buy it, but I want you to buy it because it's amazing. I want you to have the feeling I had when I first checked it out, when I was first there more than a year ago now. And it's just still mind-boggling. And then let's just try one more.
I'm here to get my custom foundation with Bold Hue. So I can remove it now? Okay.
Look how cute it is. So you press it to your face 3 times and it makes a little beep sound, and it makes a little vibration a little bit because people may not hear it, maybe hearing impaired. So 3 different spots. It teaches you how to do it on the app. Press the button. Shows you your shade, but this is out of millions of shades. It's not just a few select ones, right? It's matching your skin tone. Then it pops it out.
These are my colors.
You mix it up.
Oh wow, that's a really good match. That looks really good actually. Let's see. Use my fingers. Oh yeah, that like blended like seamlessly into my skin. It's like the perfect amount of like warmth, but it's not like too yellow, because that's always, people always tell me I'm yellow and I'm like, here is yellow, but like here is pink. Like it doesn't make sense.
Make it make sense.
and just like moisturizer. I also just like love the finish because I love, even though I have oily skin, I still like dewiness. Like I still love like any kind of skin finish. Yeah, that looked really nice.
You see how it just flawlessly covers everything for her. And one of the cool things about this is that it is not only for their own makeup. They are going to be partnering, they already have, but I can't say much about it, with partnering with different companies that are makeup brands who can use their foundational colors and still match. So the actual technology is in the matching, not the necessarily the beauty part of it, not the foundation ingredients. Although if you go to boldhue.com, you can see an amazing layout. Their website is beautiful and it'll tell you everything that's in the current makeup that you see there. So just very exciting. I wasn't going to record this video, but I'm like, oh my gosh, you have to know about this. You have to know it's at home, right? You can go to Sephora and they have a multi-million-dollar machine that'll tell you what to buy, what's closest to buy, but you don't have anything because they have the patents on this. Nothing until now when it comes to foundation makeup will at home, a device that costs $295 in the pre-sale, and you can pay 50% of that to book it, that at home will print that out for you. So imagine you go out in the sun, or our skin tone changes throughout our lives. Mine changed like twice today. And so you can print it out for what you need in the moment. You can take it with you on traveling, but you can also print it out if things change at all. And I think it's going to revolutionize the way that we do makeup, because the technology and the patent is all around the ability to make those matches. So just imagine what they can do over the next 10, 20 years. Very excited. Go to boldhue.com. Leave a message right now if you're headed that way, so I'll know that you purchased. If they are sold out, which they may be when you go to boldhue.com, because they only have 10,000 units and 40,000 plus demand, do not worry. They're coming back in 2025. So just stick around till then if it is sold out.